guys, this is Sumnima. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today how I'm going to wear scarf as my accessory, or even on top of t-shirt, or just as a t-shirt as well. So I hope you like it. Enjoy. So first I have my base right now, just a basic white t-shirt and my straight jeans. What I'm going to do is wear the scarf on top of this t-shirt as an accessory. Oh, the scarf is from Zara. Fold it as a triangle. Then I'm gonna look at the mirror for now. You see? So this is just going to be like a t-shirt. So you're just gonna tie it at the back. That's it. So it just automatically makes your white t-shirt a little more fancy, I guess. So now you have your pants, your top, and get a bag, and then you're good to go. That's number one. Oh, if you wanted to amp it up even more, get rid of the t-shirt, just put this on. That'll look bomb as well. So this is how it looks without your t-shirt on. Instead of making a top out of scarf, they're actually selling scarf tops. So that looks really nice. That is like a legit t-shirt. But yeah, this is how it looks. And that's the look number two. Alright guys, so the next, it's the same base. I just made the top cropped by tucking it in. So basically take the scarf, fold it in half as in triangle shape. So just, like that. And depends on where you want it. Just put it there. And then tie at the back. This, you're just gonna leave it like that. So it looks like 80s and 90s aesthetics are coming back, so this is definitely one of my favorites. I'm definitely going to buy more of the scarves though, so I'm gonna take it off. So now our next way is to wear this on top of an oversized dress or a shirt dress or a shirt to kind of cinch it up. I folded this now, and now I'm gonna bring it, tie it in the front. You can have a bigger scarf if you want to. I just am using the same scarf, so yeah, it might take me some time and you'll have to keep adjusting it based on your preference. And voila, we have it here. Looks like a bralette, honestly, and people even wear it without anything on, but I prefer it with a shirt on or anything else. It just makes your look a little more, I guess, trendy to an otherwise plain white shirt. And the back looks like this. So I'm also very excited to wear it this way, this spring, just to add that pop of color as well. So here it is. If you want, you can even fold it in the back and have it this way. See? Hello. This next tip is very easy and but very impactful. It's not like the other ones that were a little complex. I have my base on, just a regular. If you have a regular black outfit, I guess that will be all. So I have my regular black top and my black joggers. I'm just gonna like put it in, but it'll be secure. It's not like it's gonna drop off or anything. You see at the side, just instant, I don't know, badass vibe. So that's it. Just tie it up there or just leave it out here. And I'm gonna show it to you, but when I walk, it's gonna flow and that's gonna look really nice. Ah! Sorry, that was a bad walk. So this is the last one for today. This is really easy. I'm pretty sure you all know, but just, you know, a refresher. Take your bag and you know what to do next. Accessorize your bag. Just tie it. And there's like a lot of ways to do this. So for me, if you want to make a bow, make a bow. If you don't want to make a bow, don't make a bow. You know what? I don't like this. I'm gonna leave it free because I like when it flows. So I just don't like this. I might just cut it later. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you like anything, or you might want to try any of the style tips that I have given you today. But otherwise, this is it. Done.
Okay, here's contact information for John.
No!